up? Hey peeps, how's it going? So I've been riding around, don't want that there, all afternoon trying to find a selfie stick. Don't ask me why though. But yeah, so I've been to like 5 spots. That's my bike, and I just stopped to get a refreshment. And no selfie stick whatsoever. So that sucks. But I'm about to go to a couple more places and see what I can get. I wasn't supposed to be outside vlogging today, but I was gonna do another FIFA video on my Xbox. But unfortunately, when I turned my Xbox on today, you know what, come on, some Xbox mash up. Sad. But it is what it is. So I planned to go to the soccer field. I have a soccer ball in my soccer gear, and I'm in my soccer gear to go play some soccer at the field. But I decided to try to get a selfie stick first, and so far no luck. So I'm all energized again, thanks to Gatorade, and I'm about to hit back the road. So ride with me. Yeah, so peeps, after only a million stops, I found it. So yeah, now let's go play some soccer. Ching ching ching. So yeah, peeps, just done play some soccer. You see me? Finally, after 4 weeks, we find some ball game. I don't know if you not see me because it's kind of dark, but hopefully you not see me. But yeah, see you remember them running some just done play ball with. And about to change off my gears, put on them there, jump on my bicycle and ride go home. So but yo, that ball game, I tell you say a beer, but even though where dog they come from, from Japan or Mexico. But listen about them attack, so listen. I understand that shit to a man must on the field. I'm here to just defend and that's it. Nothing else. But yeah. Peace. But yeah, that's how you go. From a ball game, you see me? And he's out. Graveyard everywhere we walk. Scary shit. Graveyard. I'm out. gotta be a car. I gotta stop at the red light. Chicken shiznit. Or I could just be unruly. Just break that motherfucker. I would like to think that I'm almost home, but I'm not even sure. Yeah, peeps, yeah, fam, so just reached back a yard safe and sound and about to go all are fresh and thing, some food yam and thing and just chill until your wife will come home. So checking back with them soon. Cool?
A few moments later.
You know, peeps. Just done being fresh up, lotion up, and about figure edit today's vlog. Edit today's vlog so I can upload it earlier, so I can upload it tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll try to get another short outro for you guys before I go, and a short outro for you to go out, and then what am I saying? I don't know, but yeah, I'll get a short outro for you guys, let you know when I'm going to bed and what I'm up to. So yeah.